foreign trade multiplier. So just start learning foreign trade multiplier. As we discussed, simple multiplier, consumption multiplier, investment multiplier. The foreign trade multiplier is also called the export multiplier. How we can define it? It is defined as the amount by which the national income of a country will increase by a unit increase in net export. As export increases, there is increase in the income of all persons associated with the export industry. So the demand for goods will increase, but this depends upon the marginal propensity to save and marginal propensity to import. Smaller the values of MPS and MPI means marginal propensity to import, greater will be the value of multiplier. So that formula, we say that foreign trade multiplier KF will be equals to 1 over 1 minus beta plus lambda. Here lambda is the marginal propensity to import and beta is again marginal propensity to consume. Oh, again we know that 1 minus beta is equal to 1 over MPS plus marginal propensity to import. So by definition we are saying that the foreign trade multiplier depends upon the MPC or MPS plus MPI. Lower the values, higher will be the value of multiplier. Now we take some assumptions how we can reach up to this derivation. So we are taking some assumptions here. One is that we are assuming that full employment in the economic system. Second is that we are just concerned with the fixed exchange rate system. Third is that there is no accelerator effect. Fourth, two nations that are importing and exporting goods and services. Fifth, no trade barriers. Restrictions are exchange rate controls. And sixth, and the last is that government expenditures, taxes and investment is constant. For simplicity we are assuming that G, T and I are constant. If they are variable, then we can also derive the same. So how we can derive this formula? We just again obtain the help of national income identities. So if y is equals to c plus I plus g plus x minus m, where x is export and m is import, g is government expenditure, I is investment, and c is equals to consumptions. We are assuming that c is equals to c naught plus beta yd. C naught autonomous consumptions, beta is MPC, and yd is the disposable income. And we say that yd is equals to y minus taxes, and here taxes is equals to t naught plus ty. T naught fixed taxes and t is the tax rate on rising income, and again investment is equals to I naught plus gamma I, and g is equals to g naught. We can take the taxes and investment also fixed or constant, but here we are taking the variable, and m or imports is equals to m naught plus lambda y. So what we will do, just substitute the values of m, g, I, t, yd, and c in this equation 1. So if I write here, it will become equals to y is equals to c naught plus beta yd. Here yd is equals to y minus t plus I is equals to I naught plus gamma I plus g is equals to g naught plus x minus m naught minus lambda y. So again simplifying that, c naught plus beta y minus beta t, and now we know that t is equals to here t naught plus t y plus I naught plus, and rest of the equation will be same. So now just multiply the beta with this equation with the term inside the brackets. It will be equals to c naught plus beta y minus beta t naught minus beta t and y plus I naught plus. Just what you have to do, just collect the same term to the left side of the equation, means here we can see that is equals to y, and here at the last term that is minus lambda y, this and this, just collect them to the left side of the equation. We can say that y minus beta y plus beta ty plus lambda y is equals to c naught minus beta I naught and this. Just take the y as common. It means I just write here y into 1 minus beta plus beta t plus lambda. I just taken the common, and now write that y is equals to, I am just writing the whole equation here. You can do 1 over 1 minus beta plus beta t minus gamma plus lambda into C naught minus beta t naught plus I naught plus g naught plus x naught minus m naught. So here we see that is the multiplier. This is the basically multiplier. If we just assume that government expenditures are constant, here we assume the g naught. If we take the taxes are fixed, investment as a fixed, then these terms my plus bt and minus gamma will drop out, and we will get the remaining terms 1 over 1 minus beta plus lambda, and that is equals to the foreign trade multiplier. Here by taking the derivative of this equation means dou y over dou t, we can say the tax rate multiplier with respect to g, government expenditure multiplier with respect to I, you can again find the investment multiplier. So lot of the variable again by varying the consumptions you can find the consumption multiplier will be equals to 1 over 1 minus b. So all can be derived here.